In step 12 we will select from cell A1 to cell E1, and then in the home tab we can find the merge and center button in the alignment group. Click here, and after that go in the cell style button in the style group and select accent 6 like this, and after that increase the font size in the font group by 16, and you will get the result like this. After that we will repeat the same step in the next row from cell A2 to E. First we will merge them like this, clicking here, and after that we will go in the cell style here, and now we will select the 60% accent 6 like this, and now you will get the result like this. You can compare it with the figure 3.